So here we have a double-glazed window. It's about 40 years old. Taken off the strengthened tape that's gone around the whole of the window. If you look carefully, you can see that it's a soft, pliable, almost a plasticky type of construction. Underneath that, you'll see that there is a frame that's made out of aluminium, and that holds the structure of it, while this stuff just holds it in terms of making sure that it doesn't fall apart, and it gives it flexibility as well. So I'm going to pour more of this stuff off. You can see underneath there is aluminium structure. So this part here is the one I broke off earlier. It's a different frame to the one that's originally there, but it's all basically the same mechanism, the same strength. So if you do want to take it apart, you need to remove all this plastic stuff, and then you can very carefully prise it apart. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you could, please share, like and subscribe. It will help my YouTube channel.